Where'd the poofy ball go? Where'd the poofy ball go? What'd you do with the poofy ball? Ah, there it is. Here it is. Oh, you're cute. Look at you, you little sopping girl. Yeah, it's raining outside and you're all wet. Just like your sister, Gypsy Rose. Okay, we don't want to see that. Your sister, Gypsy Rose, she gets all wet. Look at you, you're just sopping wet. What? What's going on? Are you getting stoned? What did you do now? You lay down. Are you out of it? Are you out of it? You don't care anymore. No. Oh. Well, that's a feeble attempt. Oh, there you go. You get that thing. Do I have to get it for you again? Oh, you really drooled on that. Look at that. That's a drool spot if I ever saw one. Okay.